The Cashier Summary Report will give you general information about the cash tray's activities. This includes the cashier ID, the sign in and out time, the employee that was responsible for it, the net revenue, any non-cash tenders. This would oftentimes be things like online ordering or third-party integrations. What was the starting amount? What was the shortage, if there was any? What is the cash to back to the store? And the cash to type. In this case, it will be cash that it'll be sending out. You can adjust the date up here for the cash trays that you're looking for. And of course, you can search by cashier number or employee name. You can even click on the cash tray information here and get an expanded view of more details of what information and activities happened on that cash drawer. This will give you the same report that you do see inside the Aldelo Express app for this specific cash tray.